Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can update the software on OPPO A60. In order to update our device, all we need to do is first open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you find about a device and then go there. And now over here you should have the information about the system. You can tap on it in order to check for updates. And over here, if there is an update, then you can download and install it by pressing this button. And after some time, once you download the update, you should be able to have the option to install it. So let's wait and see how it looks like. Then we have extracting. So let's wait a couple of more seconds. Once the update is extracted and verified, we can press install in order to do the update. Once the update is done, you will need to enter the password to your device. And it should be done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.